Hey guys, welcome back to North Fast RC. Got a quick video to share with you guys. A couple of parts that came in from my UDR. If you know, remember that the last thing I did to it, I put the side nets on the truck. But this has a lot of upgrades that I did in the past already. But something I've been wanting to do, I just never did get around to it to do it. And so finally got them. I had it set already. I just never did get around to ordering another set. But finally decided to do it. So I got the complete set now of the Raceline Monster 2.2 3.0 inch wheels, Beadlock wheels for the UDR. Like I said, I already had a set in the tires for the truck, but I never completed the purchase of getting another set. And the other day I was just going through my stuff and I was like, I remember that I hadn't bought the new ones, the set that I was missing. So I went ahead and bought it. They're actually pretty nice. At least I think so. Because they are aluminum beadlocks. So here we go. Very nice. I know Beadlock makes tool for the screws or the bolts. I know Beadlock makes some, but they're a little more expensive than these. But I already had a set of these, so that's why I didn't want to buy a different kind. I want to just go ahead and complete the ones I had, which are these. These are already installed on there, ready to go. And I've had these for a while, both of them. But now that I got the complete set, now I can make a complete set on my UDR. I even had the new tires already for the UDR, but I just never got around to it. But now they're here, and I'm glad because now I can install them and just enjoy the beadlocks on this UDR. These are Proline Hyrax for the UDR. There's a part number right there. So yeah, and one more thing. Let me show you what else I got for the UDR. Something that I found on eBay, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I went ahead and bought it. So I got the front screen for the windshield. I guess you call it windshield, but it goes right there, obviously through the inside. And this is going to help a lot of the debris that might go into the truck. So I want to get that installed too. Got the sides already, so I figured I'll put the back. Things are going to look pretty cool. anyhow, guys, let me get these wheels going, tire, and I'll be back. Stand by. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took all the screws off the beadlock. There's the beadlock right there, and there's the rim, the back side, the front side. What I don't recall doing is when I installed these, I don't remember if I put thread lock on the on these here. I want to check those before I put it on the truck. So yeah, this is pretty, actually it's pretty easy to put on. It's not really that hard. This rim goes in first. Alright guys, I got the first wheel on. Actually it's they're a pain in the ass to put them on, but once they're on for good. They're not coming apart. And they have some weight to them as well. These are not very light. It's got some weight. But yeah, I think it's going to look pretty cool. So let me get the other one going, and I'll come back. Stand by. Alright guys, got all the wheels. All the wheels installed on the tires. So I'm gonna put them on the truck. Man, these are heavy. I think it's gonna be a bit of weight for the truck. I actually like these tires. They're actually pretty damn good, especially on the road. They do have some weight. These have weight on them as well. Quite a bit of. They're both heavy. Just notice I have my aluminum disc. Pretty cool. There we go. So yeah, that's the way it looks. Let me get these other ones going. What do you guys think so far? Let me turn it around so I can get the other side. Cool. There you go, guys. There it is. What do you guys think of the way it looks? Now I want to take the body off, guys, so I can put the net in the front. So, see how that goes. Alright guys, there it is. There's the front net. It's pretty easy to install, no big deal. So yeah, it's a good fit. Keeps a lot of the dirt, debris from going in, getting into the cabin of the truck. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I like it. Now it's got net all the way around except the back, but the back's got the fan, so no big deal. The ESC is out there in the back. So yeah guys, what do you guys think? I still haven't put the light kit. We got a bar here, light bar there, and a light bar here, and a light bar in the back. I haven't put it together. But I like this because it's going to protect the inside. So I like the new tires, the new wheels. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty dope. Pretty awesome. These have a lot of grip. So anyhow guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.